Thanks for tuning in. You know, I don't have that many subscribers. I have very few views, but I don't even care because I'm having fun. All right, this morning when I woke up, I felt like, I need to freshen up my look. But there was a problem. I don't feel like leaving the house. So you know what I did? I went to my source, YouTube, and I looked at a couple, like only 2 or 3 tutorials. I found a tutorial that I watched a couple of years ago, and it looked too easy, so I never tried it. But I did. I followed along with this young woman's tutorial, and I love my haircut. It's simple. Like anybody can do this stuff. But check it out. I mean, even the back is pretty good. It's a little tiny bit wonky, but not bad at all. So the theory, or the process is ponytail band here, ponytail band down here, ponytail band, a third one right here, cut it straight across, perch your hair in the back, down the middle, hold it together right here, rubber band it, cut across. Then, because you want to trim up the back, this one's kind of very hard to do, but at a diagonal angle, go ahead and trim up. And so I did that on both sides. Anyway, I really love this cut. So just want to let you know it works. I'm going to put the link down below. The woman who did this tutorial, I think she's got more than 3 million views, so it must be good. Her name is Patry Jordan English. Patry Jordan English, I'm not sure. The link is going to be down below. And I highly recommend. She's really good. Okay, so another thing I want to talk about is I never get gray hair. I've never colored my hair because it's gray. And part of the reason is I don't wash my hair all the time. Like maybe once a week at the most. So my hair is on the dry side so I can get away with it. But I also want to tell you too, I don't get that many cavities anymore, and I haven't been to the dentist in 10 years. It all feels pretty good there, but I don't brush my teeth very long, just like a couple seconds, and I don't use that much toothpaste. And once in a while, I forget, sometimes if I'm busy, I forget to brush my teeth that day. I know it sounds horrible, but here's my theory. The more product that we use, the higher chance that we start breaking down our natural chemistry. So for me to be almost 55 and still have my original color, except where my friend Darlene puts the little blonde highlights in my hair up in the front, I just think this is a possibility. I mean, what are the chances that I've never had to color my hair? And everybody I know, 45 and older, all women that I know are coloring their hair because they have way too much gray. So the other thought is I'm a really happy person. So I mean, my life is actually really super easy. And that leads me to my next topic, and that is manifesting everything you want and need in your life. It is so easy, okay? Don't overcomplicate this process. Just like this morning, I was in a bind. I really didn't want to leave the house, but it was also time to get a good haircut. I'll do it before and after. You have to start utilizing resources other than spending money all the time. All right, so I'm finished for now. Look for my Manifest series. Anything and everything that I really wanted in my life, I've been able to obtain very easily. And sometimes when you bring it down to the nitty-gritty of what's super important, not about how successful you are, not about how much money you make, but how happy can you get? You know, if you're asking that question, how can I make myself happier? I'll tell you, your whole life changes, and it's amazing. And when you hear my real full story, you'll understand that I've had more challenges than a lot of people. So I was able to kind of bring myself up and out of a very dire situation. All right, that's all I can say right now. Tune in for Manifest series. And, you know, I don't like to ask you to subscribe, but I'm going to. I'd like you to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you use the haircut tutorial because it's amazing. Thanks, Patry. All right, have a good day, everyone. Bye-bye.